Hi, how are you? This is Shyu from Charnabel in Grove City, Ohio. Today I'm going to show you how to do the carrot bird. There's two samples here what we did. First, you need a jumbo carrot. Cut the end off. We're going to cut the piece of stand. Don't throw this away. This can be a stand later on. Okay, we got two pieces of wing. The wing probably cut about 1/8 thick. Just one slice like that. Cut the second piece. There's two pieces of wing. And now we're going to cut a tail. Cut it. Now we'll cut this one off. When you cut this off, don't cut it all the way. Cut about half and twist the knife. It will come off. Just like that. Okay? Now this is tail. This is body. We're going to cut this off. Okay. With this. First, this is a produce knife. Now we're going to use a paring knife to cut the bird shape out of this carrot. Now we cut the tail. Cut 3 pieces of feather on each side. Cut about 4 or 5 pieces of feather on the bottom. Cut on the other side. Take this off. Now we're going to tail, we're going to shape. Now we're going to shape the hat. Just cut it. Cut a little bit. Now we're going to bird body like this. Okay. Now we're going to cut a 2 slot for the wing to stick inside the bird's body. Here's a sharp paring knife. We'll cut 2 slots out of it. The slot probably about 1/8 inch wide, about half inch deep, so the wing can stuck in there and won't come out. One on the left, one on the right. Just repeat the procedure. Clean a little bit. All right, now we're going to cut a wing. 2 pieces of wing, one on the left, one on the right. Cut right here. Cut about 3 pieces of feather out, and then long like this. We'll clear it off. There's one of the wing. Cut the second one. Repeat the procedure. One, 2, 3. And we just take it off, take it off, take it off. 2 pieces of wing, the wing together. One on one side. One on the other side. Now here's a bird. Now if you need a height, you can burn the carrot, burn a piece of toothpick. Oh, wait here a bit. Red is eye 1, eye 2, eye. There you go. It's got bird. Stuck in this. This piece we cut off. Stick it in. Now here's carrot bird. Thank you for watching. Please visit us at charterbell.net. Thank you.